Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix clock widget is not updating after update on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. If you're using Galaxy S25 Plus and you're facing the issue that your clock widget is not updating after a software update, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to go to your settings app here, go to software update section again. I recommend you how to check one more time for pending software update because sometimes it might be that your software update is not completely downloaded or is completely installed on your phone due to any technical error which might create these type issues. So once you have done, now you have to simply go to your clock widget. I'm gonna add a clock widget here. Go to widgets, go to clock, and let's say I'm gonna select this one there. So if your clock widget is not updating, so you can try to click on it. And once you have done, after a click, your widget might be work, but sometimes it might be a technical issue or any software glitch or any your clock app issue. So you can try to open your clock widget to update it. If it's still not working for you or still not updating, so you can try to keep a long press on your widget, remove it from your home screen, then re-add the new widget to your home screen. Go to widgets, go to clock, and this time if you're using analog widget first, I recommend you have to use digital widget, or let's say I'm gonna select analog widget now. Now you have to check if your clock is working or not. If it's still not working, you can go to your settings app here, go to apps, and here click on this start option, enable the toggle to show system apps, and then just search for clock. You might get clock, click on it, go to storage, click on clear cache, and then click on clear data. Now once I've done, you just have to simply go back, and now you have to retry to check if your clock is working or not. If it's still not working, so go to your clock settings screen, keep a long press on your clock app, click input button, and click on this force stop option, click OK. Now once you have forcefully stopped your clock app, you might see this type error here. You will see that your clock app is now actually not working. It has been completely stopped. Now before you retry to open your clock app or clock widget, just scroll down, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this restart icon again to have a restart with your phone. It will make a restart. So after forcefully stopping your app, if you make a restart, it will fix all the app issues and all the software glitches or technical errors. And after doing this, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. After restarting, you have to open your clock app or your clock widget only a single time and it will work for you. This time you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.